Hey guys, what's going on and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be changing out the interior of my car piece by piece, and the primary reason that I'm doing this is because I ordered an AMG steering wheel, and the AMG steering wheel, which I will be removing the AMG badge from it, comes in black. Yeah, it comes in 100% black. Now, those of you guys that have seen the inside of my car will quickly realize that it is brown. Wah. 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 I don't like the color brown. I just don't. I don't like it. It reminds me of poop. And I'm not a fan of it. So I'm going to be changing out in order. It's going to be the shifter is going to get changed out first. After the shifter, I'm going to change out the steering column. After the steering column, I will change out the steering wheel. So to remove this shifter, it's really simple. All you have to do is firmly grab underneath the side of it, pull up like that, and then pull this thing straight up, just like that. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is take this and twist it counterclockwise. Pull straight down, and then with it downward, you can now pull this thing straight up. Use two hands, grab firmly, and then pull up, and there you go. Your old shift boot is off the vehicle. Something really important to do as you guys put your new shift boot on, spread this open and slide the shaft between the two. So before we install our new shift boot, let's actually talk about our new shift boot. This is the new shift boot right here. This is from a 2012 C63 Mercedes. This is actually called the AVANTGARDE edition. You can see it right there. AVANTGARDE. And the way that this works is it's a little bit different than the older model. You got to spread the cheeks. That's still the same. You got to drop the knob between the cheeks. And then this is going to be your new lock nut versus our old lock nut. Look at the size difference. You're going to loosen it by going clockwise. So now it's off. You can drop that down into there. And then you guys are going to take this and drop it down into there as well. And it's going to click right there. Come on. Right there. Now you guys are going to take this, bring it up, turn it clockwise to lock it into place. There you go. And then drop your new knob cover on. And hopefully it fits. And just like that, we have a brand new shift knob in the car. And it makes a world of difference from the old brown look to the new black look. As a matter of fact, I think it looks a lot better inside the car. I think it gives the car a better accent. And I love the back metal plating on this, which lets me get a nice firm grip on here. I've never been a paddle shift person from the steering wheel. I've always been a shift person down here, so I'm going to love this a lot more. With this project complete, I can now move on to my steering wheel and the steering column behind it. So there you go, guys. Pretty easy change out on the Mercedes. Really quick project that can greatly improve the interior appearance of the vehicle, and simple to do. If this is a video that you guys liked, definitely give it a thumbs up. If this is content that you guys are interested in and you guys want to be part of a cool community, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the community. And with that being said, I am all done for the day. Next time I see you, I will be fixing the steering column, and then I will be changing out the steering wheel after that. So stay tuned, guys. There's plenty of modifications down the road in this car, and we are far from being done.